Meal planning on a budget, save money while eating well. Imagine this, it's Sunday night and you're staring at your bank account, wondering where all your money went. You scroll through your transactions and see it, endless food delivery charges, overpriced coffee runs, and a pantry filled with random items that never made it to the dinner table. You sigh, thinking, how did it come to this? Now, picture this instead. A fridge stocked with delicious, prepped meals, your budget intact, and the joy of knowing you are eating better for less. Sounds like a dream, right? It's not. This could be your reality. Here's the thing, if you don't get your food spending under control, it's not just your bank account at risk. It's your health, your time, and even your long-term financial freedom. But don't worry, we're about to fix that today. Ready to transform your eating habits and your wallet? Let's dive in. Point 1. The power of meal planning. Did you know the average person wastes $1,500 annually on unused groceries? That's money literally rotting away. But here's the exciting part, meal planning is like creating a blueprint for financial and physical wellness. When you plan your meals, you are in control, not the fast food cravings. Think of meal planning as being the director of your own cooking show. Except, in the show, no one's screaming, "Where's the lamb sauce?" How to create a weekly meal plan based on your budget. The art of repurposing ingredients for multiple meals. A simple tool to stay organized. A budget-friendly app or a notebook. And here's the best part about meal planning, by the end of this video, you'll learn a strategy that could save you hundreds every single month. Stay with me. Point 2. Shopping smart. Every trip to the grocery store without a plan is a financial minefield. Walk in without a list, and you're bound to overspend on things you don't need. But what if I told you there's a secret weapon that turns your grocery trips into budget victories? Quick question, have you ever bought a jumbo pack of avocados because they were on sale, only to watch them turn into green mush in 3 days? No judgment, we've all been there. Crafting a shopping list aligned with your meal plan. How to spot and leverage seasonal deals. The importance of unit pricing. Is bulk really cheaper? Now that you know how to shop smart, let's talk about what happens after you bring those groceries home. Spoiler alert, it's not just about putting them in the fridge. Point 3. Prep like a pro. Meal prep is where the magic happens. Imagine spending just 2 hours on a Sunday to save hours of cooking time during the week. It's not just a time saver, it's a stress buster. Think of meal prep as your personal assistant in the kitchen. Only this assistant doesn't call in sick or forget your coffee order. Easy meal prep techniques, batch cooking, portioning, and freezing. Tips for storing food to keep it fresh longer. Tools to make meal prep faster. Invest in a good knife and reusable containers. And here's a little known tip that will revolutionize the way you prep and store food. Don't miss this. Point 4. Balancing nutrition and budget. Here's a truth bomb, eating healthy doesn't have to be expensive. But ignoring nutrition now could cost you thousands in healthcare later. So how do we strike the perfect balance? Ever feel like the healthiest foods are the most expensive? Let me flip that script for you. Affordable superfoods, lentils, oats, and frozen vegetables. Creating balanced meals with protein, carbs, and fats. Quick swaps to make your meals healthier without breaking the bank. By now, you've got all the tools you need to plan, shop, and prep. But what if I told you there's one final piece to the puzzle that will keep you consistent for life? Point 5. Staying consistent and motivated. Here's the deal, meal planning isn't a one and done. It's a lifestyle shift. The longer you stick with it, the more money you save, and the better you feel. Consistency is key. But don't worry, you won't need to sign a meal planning marriage contract, though it might feel that way at first. Setting realistic goals and celebrating small wins. Building a community or accountability system to stay on track. Experimenting with new recipes to keep things exciting. So, what's stopping you from starting today? Because the sooner you start, the sooner you'll see the results in your wallet and on your plate. Let's make this the year you master meal planning and crush your budget goals. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and share it with someone who needs this. And remember, a little planning today sets you up for a wealthier tomorrow. Thanks for watching.